Simply keep clicking the follow button. The more you click, the more you make money. And you can literally do this continuously. It's simple, free, and available worldwide, so it's perfect for everyone who has access to the internet via a mobile phone, computer, or laptop. Now, before we begin, please do yourself a favor and turn on notifications and the subscribe button, and I will alert you anytime I have a unique and refreshing technique to earn money online, so you can be one of the first to apply it and, of course, make a lot of money. The only app you'll need today is Instagram. And don't worry, you won't be selling anything or conducting affiliate marketing. It's unique. All you have to do is sign up for Instagram, start following other people, and then collect your profits from this website, which I'll show you how to do it in this video. And now, starting with step number 1, I'll walk you through how this functions and how to set it up for yourself. Step 1 is to make a new Instagram account. And don't worry, you don't have to promote or sell anything on your account. You can simply install the Instagram app on your smartphone device. However, I will be utilizing the desktop version because it is much easier for me to record it and demonstrate it to you. But all of this can be done with only your phone. Only after you install the app, go to Instagram and sign up for free. I assume you already know how to do that, so I won't go through that part. That was the first step. Just go to Instagram and sign up for free. Step 2 is to choose any topic you want, whether it's sports, motivational quotes, nature, animals, couples, or children. For the purpose of this video, I'll use a dog niche. But it doesn't matter which one you choose because we're not selling anything. Once you've decided on a topic, change your username to something that corresponds it. For example, since I'm in the dog niche, I would say ultimate dog lover, or depending on what's available. Of course, you may choose any username you want. If you're in the sports topic, you could do something like fitness king or queen, ultimate football fan, or anything you want. That was step 2. Fairly straightforward, just sign up for Instagram and pick a topic or area. I assume you've finished the first 2 steps because we're about to move on to the third one. Step 3 is to use Instagram to look for your chosen topic. As you can see, it's getting too easy, and I believe this is one of the easiest methods to earn money online as a beginner. Basically, anyone can do this if they follow the steps in this video, and by the end of it, they'll be ready to earn money. Just remember not to jump straight or click off because you will lose important information and you won't be able to make a profit if you do. It's better to play a 10-minute YouTube video for free, listen to it, and seek to make real money than to spend endless hours struggling to set it out on your own. The third step is just search for your topic. If you're in the business news, search for business. If you're in the basketball, search for basketball. If you're in the memes, search for memes. In my example, I'll look for animals or dogs to be precise, which will bring up millions of results. You may view all of those great posts about dogs. Once you've found your area, just keep it like that for a while. Step 4. Now you want to download a few of those posts. Choose the one you like and copy its URL. And go to keeppost.com. Or use any mobile app you like to paste that post URL and upload it to your phone or computer. Repeat until you have 5 to 10 different posts on your computer or phone. Then copy the URL of something you like depending on your topic. It's a link. As you may know, that directs visitors to the particular post and allows them to download it via Keep Post. Keep Post is completely free to use and you don't have to sign up or anything. It's super simple and quick. So go ahead and finish this step. Go to Instagram, download about 5 to 10 posts, and we'll move to step 5. Actually, before we move on to step number 5, don't forget to leave a big thumbs up on this video because it consumes a lot of effort to locate all of these different ways to earn money online for you. And I'm hoping for a simple like on this video. That would really mean a lot to me. So moving on, step number 5 is to simply re-upload those posts on your own page, which I believe you guys know how to do. Simply click on the plus icon at the bottom of the app and select the post you initially downloaded to your computer or smartphone devices. Make sure to credit the page owner you downloaded it from so you don't run into any problems. Just acknowledge them in the post description. Post like 5 to 10 different things. At the very least, you want to have at least 5 to 10 posts on your page. The more, the greater it would be. Before we get to the website where we will start collecting our profits and generate money from this page, your duty for the next 2 minutes is to simply add 5 to 10 posts and credit the owner, such as this photo was shot by and cited a page or something along the lines. You can edit it, but it's still relatively easy. No technical skills are required, and even if you've never made money online before, you can still follow along and complete these simple steps. You've already made some progress at this point, so keep up the good work. Remember, if you're just watching this video and not following the steps, this will not work for you. You can complain in the comment section that it didn't work, while those who are following the steps are the individuals who collect profits and make money. So it's up to you. I'm just here to assist. 6th step. Once you've got all the posts up on your page, all you have to do now is search for another topic again and find a page that's similar to yours. For example, I may search dogs once more and open a page that's similar to mine. I'll use this one as an example. And now comes the real deal. You want to go to their followers and begin following every individual that follows them. And you'll see why and how it will help you make profit with the other websites I'll reveal to you in a minute. Let me just show you one more thing. As of now, I have 0 followers and I didn't follow anyone on this page. Now I'm going to start following hundreds of people who have proven to be interested in this topic. And sooner or later, some of them will follow back because we're very similar to the page they're already following. And this will help me gain real followers on my page. Simply spam that follow button and these guys will be more inclined to follow you back since your page is similar to the ones they have already been following. I suggest doing this until you have at least 2,000 to 3,000 followers. As you can see, it's pretty simple and requires no prior knowledge. Simply follow people and they should follow you back. So that's step number 6. Go out there and follow target audience until they start following you back and you obtain some followers. This could take a little time for Instagram to block the action for a couple of hours. So just be aware that if you follow too many people or at least 1,000 people in 10 minutes, they're obviously going to follow that action. So be careful over there, but please don't worry since it will pay off and you won't be blocked forever. If that happens, they might block it for a couple of hours, but at the end of the day, you're at home poking on your phone and generating money. So be thankful for that. Let me show you the final step and that external website where you can actually get money after you have enough followers. This is the final stage in the website that we've discussed since the beginning of this video. And the website that will actually make you money is called socialtradia.com. This is the Instagram account marketplace that you can purchase Instagram accounts. You can see people selling their accounts for a variety of prices, but the typical price of an account with a few thousand followers is around $100. Of course, prices and numbers of followers vary. This can probably take just a few hours to develop this type of account. You can sell one account each day and list 100 accounts per day using only your phone. If you have even more leisure time, start creating multiples of those accounts every single day and start making hundreds of dollars per day. As you can see, it was extremely simple if you follow the steps in this tutorial. Simply create an account, repost some photos to give people a reason to follow you back, and begin following people in your topic and from similar pages. And here's where you can sell your account on Socialtradia. The great thing is that this can be performed by everyone anywhere in the globe who has internet access. And it's a completely free with no investment required. So anyone can do it. You can sell your account here by simply going to the homepage and click here where it says Sell. It's so easy. You enter your account username, select the category, and there's some basic information about the page, like how many followers it has, how many likes you get, how many views, and so on. After that, simply choose your payment method. how you would like to collect your earnings, and that's why I mentioned this could be one of the simplest ways to make money online. You don't need a website, no money to invest, no prior expertise. All you have to do is follow the instructions and respond accordingly. Before you leave, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't, please subscribe to the channel with alerts turned on so you don't miss out on any new material. Thank you all for your undivided attention, and I'll see you again soon.